豆腐，把豆腐与豆腐。
Perfect.
You're crazy.
No.
Good morning. Breakfast.
Oh, good morning. Thank you, baby.
Tofu.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You had so much.
Good job.
Guys, I cannot make this up. What is he doing? Look at your hair. You're so cute.
My hair.
Your hair is everywhere. You know what? We have juice. Can we have some juice?
It's cold.
Yeah. I feel like that would complete this breakfast so nicely. This is my first ever breakfast in bed in our relationship. That's so cute. Thank you so much. We're trying to catch her to put this cone back on. You're too fast. 我要她快点。你疼什么？这么小。I want to sleep
Yeah,
again.
sleep. Let us sleep.
Sleep again.
对，
What are you watching?
电视剧
这是关于什么？
关于警察。
You seem like a nice person. Loving.
We are still in bed. It's 1 p.m.
Wow, so beautiful.
This is 什么麻辣香锅. I'm excited. It is so cold today. It came with a drink, some orange juice. To start with, a little bit of this.
It's so much. 看 Wow, it's spicy. The camera is tight.
怎么可能？这好的冬天你不想动？
对，你看动物冬天它想动吗？它不是睡觉吗？
So I am sticking this like paper onto the cupboards. Can you see we've done 2 already? This one and this one. We're just pushing all the air bubbles out. Oh, you're so cute. You're looking at you. What's your dad doing? What's your Baba在干嘛? Oh, I'm so happy.
It's my job.
好好上班. It's definitely not perfect, but it's very good.
噔噔噔噔。
Ew.
噔噔噔噔。噔噔噔噔。这是习惯的问题，你懂不懂？你得先打开吧。
Oh no.
到边了。
It looks better, but we can't shut the door. But look at how big the kitchen looks now. Like, it looks so big now. We've got all this space. we can get to these cupboards. I like it. I do, I like it. It's gonna look so good when all the cupboards are done. It's gonna look amazing. Hello. We are on our way to play some Mahjong. We're on our way to play Mahjong. Our favorite Mahjong.
，Pocket 3，
无人机啊，
人家拍视频的相机，他发他用过的那个，
不是带个头上的吗？
现在有各种各样的。
谁能取决一个？
Oh my god.
加了油。
What are you doing?
晒太阳。
I'm gonna cook. I'm hungry. Hi. Oh.
你看他累吗？
你把你疯了，小芳疯了，小豆，嗨。 Oh no, 太多了。Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so red. So warm, so cozy, so beautiful. 怎么这么像我的猫？哦，它的脸不一样，但是
他的猫是不是比我们小一点？
对，是真的，怎么这么的像我们的猫？
你看它，
它可能在豌豆。
它粘人。加油！
昨天呢？
对呀、昨天的，你看昨天取了多少个？昨天不还有一个人取错了3个？我
We're back home and it's time to open all my packages. It is a lot of Christmas stuff, so I've got to like hide a couple because it's Jon's presents. The rest is all Christmas decorations, so we're gonna put some up today. I have some glass containers with the clip lids. Oh my gosh. Isn't that cute? Oh, a little lunch bag. Oh, these ones have like fake holly in them. Just like plasticky holly, but it's cute nonetheless. And also got like white tipped, like snow. So it's pretty cool. And then just one gold one as well. I wanted to try this, the Dubai style chocolate, the pistachio butter chocolate. This only cost me 50p for a whole bunch of piping bags and the tips. 6 different tips. Wow. Okay, we're gonna try this chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh, it smells good.
中国的。
Mmm. Mmm.
好吃好吃，还是我的工作。
That was nice. It wasn't very pistachio-y though. I would say like very mild on the pistachio flavor in the middle. I don't think it's the most authentic version.
豆腐豆腐，我豆腐与豆腐，
豆腐豆腐豆腐豆腐豆腐与豆腐，我豆腐我豆腐豆腐与豆腐。
We are crazy.
No! No! Ah! Perfect! Oh my god! Get down!
Crazy. You're
Oh,
crazy.
no. Oh, it's so nice. Very festive.
吸尘器，拿吸尘器。Happy Christmas.
Oh my god. Tofu,
Tofu.
please. Oh, I love it so much. It's nice, right? The last thing. 松手，你松手。Oh god.
这不是你的。
This tinsel is way too short. Should I buy another one? What did you get? It was like 50p.
It's 徐州米线。
Oh, it looks so good.
红汤 flavor， 家乡味道。他们的那个锅炒的更好吃。
Yeah. Ta-da!
过去。
Oh, it looks so good. I'm so happy. Wonderful Christmas time. It's the most wonderful time of the year. We are at our friend's house again.
多吃。
Come to play some Mahjong.
哎呦喂！
He doesn't have tissue on him. And I always ask him to bring extra tissues for me. And he never does. So no, I'm not giving you no tissue.